Yeah, hello everybody. Welcome to the session. Now in this class I am going to explain about Poisson's and Laplace equations. Poisson's, Laplace equation. So what is the purpose of studying these Poisson's and Laplace equations? It is the purpose of studying Gauss law. Gauss law is useful to calculate electric field intensity and electric flux density for symmetrical problems. Okay, and also it is useful to calculate the charge enclosed in the space system. So by using Gauss law, E bar and D bar is calculated, but it is not practically possible in all cases. So actually the charge is reside only on the surface of the conductors only. The charge may not reside inside the conductor. So this problem is called as a boundary value problem. So for boundary value problems, the electric field intensity and electric flux density will be calculated with the help of Poisson's equations. Now see, we will try to derive the equation for Poisson's equations. Okay, so we know the point form of Gauss law. What is the point form of Gauss law? Gauss law. So that is del dot d bar is equals to rho v, or divergence of electric flux density is equals to the value charge density. But for isotropic materials, d bar is equals to epsilon into t bar. Substitute in that formula. So d bar epsilon t bar is equals to rho v. But see, as d bar is equals to epsilon into d bar. Now from gradient relation, just take out this epsilon is a common. So del dot E bar is equals to rho v, but gradient E bar is equals to minus del v. Just substitute in that expression so that it will become del dot minus del v into rho v. Take out the minus common. So minus epsilon del dot v into rho v na. Good. See, this minus epsilon, this del dot into del v becomes del square v. Del square v is equals to rho v. Del square v equals to minus rho v by epsilon. Minus rho v by epsilon is your Poisson's equation. Poisson's equation. But for dielectric materials, what is the charge inside the dielectric materials? It is 0. So rho v is equal to 0. If you substitute rho v equal to 0 in the Poisson's equation, it will become del square v is equals to 0 by epsilon, or del square v is equals to 0, and it is called as your Laplace equation. Laplace equation. Okay. Now we will see how to define del square v term in different coordinate systems. See this del square v. So the main definition of del is equals to dou by dou x into ax bar plus dou by dou y into ay bar plus dou by dou z into az bar. Okay. If you now do it with the scalar quantity v, del v is equals to, what will happen in Cartesian coordinate system? It will become dou v by dou x plus dou v y by dou y plus dou v z by dou z. This is about del and it is about del v. Now we need del square v. Can you calculate del square v? See, do like this. scalar now. So as it is a scalar, you should write here as V is a scalar quantity. We need to write dou V by dou X Ax bar plus dou V by dou Y Ay bar plus dou V by dou Z Az bar, as it is a scalar only. Can you write the del square V? Del square V is equals to del into del V. Okay, del means dou by dou X into Ax bar plus dou by dou Y Ay bar plus dou by dou Z Az bar into what is dou V? It is del V is equal to dou V by dou X Ax bar plus dou V by dou Y Ay bar plus dou V by dou Z into Az bar. If you do the dot product between the two quantities, you will get dou by dou square V by dou X square plus dou square V by dou Y square plus dou square V by dou Z square. This is about your del square V in Cartesian coordinate system. Similarly, del square V is equals to, by writing the formula here, just try to remember 1 by rho dou by dou r, 1 by rho dou by dou rho r, or dou v by dou rho r dou v by dou rho plus 1 by r square by rho square by rho square dou square v by dou phi square dou square v by dou phi square plus dou square v by dou z square. V by dou z square is equals to 0 in cylindrical system. This is in, try to remember, cylindrical system. Next, similarly, del square V is equals to 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou v by dou r plus 1 by r square sin theta into dou by r, this is theta, and sin theta dou by dou theta, like this, r square sin theta dou by dou theta by r square sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta dou v by dou theta plus 1 by r square sin square theta dou square v by dou phi square is equals to 0. This is in your cylindrical spherical system. Okay, now we will see one problem based on this Laplace and Poisson's equation. I am writing the problem here. So it means cylindrical coordinates problem. In cylindrical coordinates, comma, what is given? Is given potential V is equal to 60 volts at rho is equal to 6 mm, and see V is equals to 0 volts at rho is equal to 66 mm. Okay. Find voltage at, question is find voltage at rho is equal to 140 mm if the potential depends only on rho. If the potential depends only on rho. See, the solution will be like this. The solution of potential is from the Laplace equation. What is the solution? P is equal to A ln of rho plus B. This is the solution. But see, what is the first he is given? V is equal to 60 volts at rho is equal to 6 mm. You substitute in that in this equation. This is the solution of Laplace equation now. So what is V? Is 60 is equals to A ln of 6 plus we consider it is equation 1. Similarly for 2, what is it? This 0 is equal to A ln of 66 mm plus B. Solve these two equations. Minus, minus, minus. So 60 is equal to A ln of 6 by 66 0. So that A is equal to 60 by ln of 1 by 1. What is the value? A is equal to minus 2.3978. Okay, if you substitute A value in equation 1, you will get B is equal to, substituting A in equation 1, B is equal to 104.837, but we need the potential voltage at rho is equal to 140. So B is equal to A ln of rho plus B. As we know A and B values, substituting minus 2.3918 ln of rho means 140 plus B 104.83. So the answer will be minus 18.85 volts. Okay, so up to now we have completed our Laplace and Poisson's equations. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.